So we now have Kingsdown mattresses at the Northern Virginia store. We've had them at Farmville doing really well, and we've introduced them up here. And please come in and check them out. You got the top of the line, which you must come and lay on this and try it. The king size is $52.99, but it is incredibly comfortable. And we're working down this way. The prices go down as we go down this way. All of them really comfortable, and it depends on whether you want pillow top or plush top or firm. And then when you get to this one, this is still incredibly comfortable. Queen size mattress, $6.99, so it is actually a real steal. So please come in, look at them, see what you think, and lay on them, and I guarantee you're going to love them. Thank you.